The Bullfrog Track 2 transforms concrete finishing with its rope-pulled, handleless design, perfect for tight spaces and massive pours. Say goodbye to long, awkward handles. Its auto-tilt mechanism ensures a smooth, even finish every time. Available in 4 to 10 feet sizes, it tackles any slab with ease. Need more power? The Track 2 M Series adds a lithium iron phosphate battery and motor, covering up to 12,000 square feet per charge. It even alerts you when the battery's low. Choose between C-channel or flat-ribbed floats for maximum versatility. With models in 4 and 6 feet sizes and effortless maneuverability using a 50-feet rope, this tool slashes labor and boosts finish quality. Every contractor's dream tool. The Star 5 system delivers powerful, multi-layered waterproofing for flat roofs and terraces. Built on advanced bitumen technology, it starts with a solvent-based primer, then adds a self-adhesive elastomeric bitumen sheet for core protection. Reinforcement bands lock down corners, no weak spots here. A second bitumen layer with anti-root properties makes it perfect for green roofs. The final aluminum-reinforced sheet ensures long-term durability, resisting fatigue, indentation, and extreme temperatures. Compatible with wood or concrete and usable on slopes up to 20%. Star 5 adapts to nearly any surface. Walkable or not, this system is built to last and thrive in demanding environments. Fast, flexible, and future-ready, it's waterproofing that goes beyond expectations. Meet the Eurobrick X-Clad system, a revolutionary external wall solution that slashes energy use by up to 70% compared to traditional brickwork. With a lifespan of over 25 years and virtually no maintenance, it blends durability with classic brick aesthetics. Its extruded polystyrene panels offer powerful insulation, cutting heat loss, lowering heating bills, and shrinking your carbon footprint. Lightweight and quick to install, just 7.38 pounds per square foot, it's ideal for retrofits, modular builds, and new construction alike. No need for new foundations or heavy groundwork. X-Clad fits timber, steel, or masonry walls and comes in custom thicknesses from 0.67 to 3.94 inches. Even better, it preserves architectural charm in sensitive renovations or historical upgrades. The Impulse SV400 is a powerhouse pile cutter built for speed, precision, and durability. It cleanly cuts reinforced concrete piles, 11.8 to 15.7 inches square, without damaging rebar or causing cracks below the cut line. With 25+ cycles per hour, it can tackle up to 200 piles in a single shift. Its pyramidal cutting tool and angled faces crush concrete efficiently, while 4 cylinders deliver a staggering 280 tons of shear force. Made from high-strength alloy steel, it resists mechanical wear inside and out. Operating at 4,351 psi with a flow rate of 21.1 gallons per min, it stays compact yet powerful at just 1,422 pounds. Low noise, high output, this machine redefines pile cutting performance. Agrafill is your heavy-duty hero for pothole repairs over 10 square feet and up to 2.36 inches deep. Used with chip fill, it forms an unbeatable combo. Agrafill fills the void while chip fill locks everything down for long-lasting results. This hot-applied thermoplastic solution bonds seamlessly with asphalt when heated above 220 degrees Celsius, ensuring tough, weather-resistant repairs that stand the test of time. No fancy gear needed, just a gas burner and a few tools. Fast to apply and road-ready in just 20 minutes, it's perfect for winter-damaged roads and emergency fixes. At around $45 per 26-pound bag, Agrafill cuts future costs by stopping damage in its tracks. Literally. The AidMaplac Mega Board Lifter is a powerhouse for plasterboard installation, horizontal, vertical, or angled for raked ceilings. With a 176-pound capacity, it handles massive sheets up to 4 feet by 19.7 feet effortlessly. A dual-handle braking system, main and safety, ensures smooth, controlled lowering every time. Powered by a drill-driven rack and pinion system, it lifts boards to a height of 14.8 feet with minimal effort. Weighing 151 pounds, it's robust yet maneuverable, perfect for professional jobs that demand both strength and precision. No more struggling with overhead installations or bulky panels. This lifter makes tough tasks faster, safer, and more efficient than ever. Smart Masa SmartTop is revolutionizing masonry work with a ready-to-use polymer mortar that needs no mixing. Just apply and go, saving time, labor, and resources. Weighing only 3.3 pounds per unit, it covers a whopping 10.88 skew fit, 20 times more efficient than traditional mortar. It's eco-friendly too, eliminating the need for cement and sand while producing less waste. Application is a breeze. 2 slim, 0.4-inch beads per block, and you're set. It sets in just 6 to 12 hours and cures fully in 72. Plus, it's resealable, making leftovers reusable. Say goodbye to hauling 66-pound bags. SmartTop makes construction lighter, faster, and cleaner than ever before. The Orit BV Eggliner is a pro-level tool for perfect surface leveling in landscaping, roadwork, or groundwork. Available in 2 models, the Eggliner 1200 and 2100, it offers adjustable widths from 27.5 to 83 inches, making it ideal for tight spaces or wide terrains. Height-adjustable wheels with indicators allow for exact depth control from -1.6 to +7.9 inches. Its stainless steel scraper sheets with sharp edges cut through sand, gravel, or mulch with ease. At just 46 to 73 pounds, it's rugged yet maneuverable, featuring ergonomic handles and a powder-coated frame. Add in an adjustable roof profile and a 7-year warranty. This tool delivers serious efficiency with lasting durability. Profile Deck is the ultimate decking system for terraces, combining strength, adaptability, and sleek design. Its aluminum joists are corrosion-resistant and ultra-lightweight, yet tough enough to handle harsh weather, tested for 1,000 hours in salt mist. Each 7.87 feet joist flips for dual use. One side for timber or composite decking, the other for paving slabs. How versatile is that? With adjustable riser pedestals and accessories like rubber tapes and paving spacers, leveling sloped or uneven surfaces becomes effortless. The H55 profile handles both slabs and decking flawlessly, making it ideal for residential or commercial use. Installation is quick, cost-effective, and rock-solid, lasting performance with a polished finish every time. The BT75 Edger machine is a concrete finisher's dream. Designed for precision edge work around walls, columns, and slabs, it features a free rotating ring with rubber protection, so no scuffs or damage ever. With blades and pan placed directly under the guard, you get a flawless edge finish without bending or crawling. What a time saver. Choose the BT75HE with a robust Honda GX 165.5 GP engine or the BT75E electric model with variable speed control. Both include a foldable handle for easy transport and storage. At just 148 to 154 pounds, it's compact yet powerful. Ideal for pros who demand clean, fast results, because edges matter too. Starting at $2,500, it's precision built into every pass. Stroll Pebble Lock is the eco-friendly paving game-changer, crafted from 100% recycled plastic. Its honeycomb panels lock pebbles or gravel in place. No more shifting stones, puddles, or potholes. At just 1 inch thick and interlocking like a breeze, it's perfect for garden paths, patios, driveways, and even tricky zones, pool surrounds, or under trampolines. Rain? No problem. Its permeable design drains water efficiently, reducing erosion and keeping surfaces dry and stable. Strong enough for light vehicles, yet light enough for DIY installs. Fully recyclable and priced at around $12 per 5.38 square feet, Pebble Lock delivers durability, simplicity, and sustainability, all in one smart solution. Dome houses redefine sustainable living with their striking spherical design and unmatched efficiency. Choose between geodesic or monolithic structures. Both offer lower construction costs, superior insulation, and reduced energy use. Monolithic domes are FEMA-rated safe rooms, standing strong against hurricanes, fires, even earthquakes. Geodesic domes shine in customization, from 200 square foot cabins to 3,000 plus square foot dream homes. No load-bearing walls means wide-open interiors and total design freedom. Build it yourself for as low as $10,000 or go premium with professional kits. The modular triangle framework lets you expand as needed, while the curved shell minimizes materials and maximizes strength. Whether you're off-grid or eco-minded, dome houses deliver futuristic function in a timeless form. The Prexis OPTL10 tile square laser takes the guesswork out of tiling. With dual red laser beams projecting a perfect 90-degree angle, you'll never second-guess tile alignment again. Covering up to 32 feet with pinpoint accuracy, 0.39 inches, it ensures straight lines across any surface. Need diagonal patterns? No problem. Built-in bubble vials offer leveling precision at 0.05 degrees, making this tool insanely reliable. Durable. Overmolded construction means it's built to last, even on tough job sites. One-button operation makes it so easy, even DIYers can look like pros. Battery-powered, no cords, no recharge delays. At just $85.99 new or $35 used, it's a must-have for flawless floors and walls. Why settle for crooked tiles? French tiny houses redefine compact living with style and sustainability. Built on trailers and weighing just 2 to 3.5 tons, they're perfect for minimalist nomads seeking freedom without sacrificing comfort. Crafted from eco-materials like heat-treated pine, cedar, and aluminum siding, they offer top-notch insulation using wood fiber and sheep's wool. Go off-grid with solar panels, rainwater systems, and composting toilets. Inside, multifunctional furniture, loft beds, and smart storage make every inch count. Builders like Balachan and Latini House offer custom designs with Scandinavian flair, while Sim focuses on relocatable models for travel or rental. Prices range from $27,000 to $56,000, affordable, green, and mobile living made beautiful. Green Magic Homes bring nature and innovation together in a stunning eco-living concept. Built from fiber-reinforced polymer, they're mold-resistant, pest-proof, and tough enough to handle earthquakes up to magnitude 8.5. Covered with earth and vegetation, they naturally regulate indoor temperatures, cool in summer, warm in winter. The modular design makes assembly simple using flaps, screws, and sealants, with total layout flexibility. Want more space? Just connect more modules. Their aerodynamic shape resists high winds and blends beautifully into any landscape. Starting at around $41,000, they offer a futuristic yet grounded alternative to traditional homes. These homes aren't just built, they grow with the earth. Low maintenance, high efficiency, and unmatched durability. What more could you want? The Pocket Tent redefines outdoor luxury. Built with galvanized steel pipe frames and triple-layer waterproof canvas, it withstands -30 degrees Celsius cold, 40 degrees Celsius heat, 165 pounds of snow, and fierce winds. Seriously. Inside, a cozy bedroom fits a double bed, desk, and even air conditioning. Step through wooden doors to an open-air bathroom. Yes, really. Transparent PVC windows frame the view, while screen vents keep bugs out. Choose from 2 spacious sizes, 269 or 387 square feet. Easy to assemble without heavy gear and fully customizable, from canvas color to flooring systems. Resorts, retreats, and eco-lodges love them for their durability, comfort, and wow factor. Want to impress your guests with rugged elegance and modern amenities? This is it. The Aerolift by Failsafe is a game-changer in structural lifting. Each steel-constructed tower lifts 20 tons, 4 towers handle 80 tons, and more can be added as needed. Ditch outdated hydraulic jacks and wood cribbing, Aerolift offers a safer, faster alternative with less labor and more efficiency. Its continuous drive system lifts buildings up to 25 feet in one smooth motion. No resets, no delays. Ideal for disaster recovery, foundation repair, or full relocation, it creates a wide, clear workspace beneath the structure. Operators benefit from reduced risk, improved access, and quicker project timelines. Even new contractors can enter the field with confidence. Aerolift makes professional lifting simpler, safer, and smarter than ever before. Now Bentifix is a game-changer in containment solutions. This geosynthetic clay liner fuses high-swelling sodium bentonite between two tough geotextile layers, creating a self-sealing hydraulic barrier that stops liquid seepage fast. Ideal for landfills, wastewater plants, and mining, its self-healing clay swells on contact with water to seal gaps instantly. The needle punch structure resists shear and handles steep slopes like a pro. Thermal lock technology boosts stability, while wide rolls with overlapping seals make installation quick and easy. It crushes traditional clay liners with superior strength, low permeability, and ISO, CE, and BBA certifications. Available in versions like Bentifix X, X Green, and Carbopol X, customizable power for demanding terrains and critical infrastructure. Tor Alva is a 98 feet tall 3D printed cultural tower in Switzerland, crafted entirely using robotic concrete extrusion. Designed by Fondation Origen, it features 32 reinforced hollow columns and a spiral staircase leading to a dramatic stage at the top. Inspired by traditional craftsmanship, its structure blends lightweight design with stunning shadow play, appearing delicate by day and glowing like a lantern by night. Built without formwork, it wastes no material, using only what's needed, proof of digital fabrication's power. Relocatable and sustainable, it aligns with circular building principles. Like its housing counterpart Tekla, Tor Alva showcases how 3D printing can transform architecture, flexible, eco-friendly, and breathtakingly artistic.